one-stop destination for your everyday life. So, if you are from India, you must be loving dosas. Especially from South India, you must be loving your dosas. But if you're like me who is frustrated with using pans for making dosas which get spoiled every 2 or 3 months, then this video is for you. Because I was seriously frustrated, guys. No matter how high-end the pan is or how medium size or how thick coating of a pan is, it wouldn't last me more than 3 or 4 times of making dosas. That's like too much of money to waste. So I decided to try Presto Griddle for making dosas, and it's like from 4 years I've been using the same dosa griddle, and it still works and looks like new. That's what I like about this griddle, and it makes the perfect dosas, guys. Dosa is really a good breakfast. If you don't get the crispiness, if the pan is irritating you, it won't work. So please try this, watch the video and try it for yourself to see if it works. So let's go, and I will show you how to use this Presto Griddle to make your dosas. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. It would mean a lot to me, and please leave me a comment on who you are and where are you from. Okay guys, bye. So Presto Griddle comes in a package like this. I didn't throw away the package because I like to store my griddle in that and use it only for dosa or pancakes. So this is the griddle, and this one comes off. You can wash it and goes in, and this is the wire. This also comes off like this and it goes in. And these are the temperature buttons, like you can rotate it. It's all the way in. So you just plug it in and it will heat up. I'm ready to make my dosa. So I have water ready here and a paper towel to clean it up after every batch. So what you do is plug the wire in, and I like to keep my temperature at 400 degrees and let it heat up. It will take almost 5 minutes to heat up. You will know when you put a drop of water, it will sizzle. That's how you know it's hot and ready to go. I'll show you in a couple of minutes. Let's see how to put dosa. It's hot enough. You can feel the heat when you move your hand around. I kept the water in a bowl. So just take some water and sprinkle it. Okay? You can see how hot it is. Just wipe it with a paper towel and you're ready to put your dosa in. Bear with me as I'm using only one hand, so bear with me as I one more, and now it's ready. Like you would do on your normal pan, this is how you put the dosa. I hope you learned something. Look how perfectly it's cooking. It's almost ready. So I hope you learned something new, and this is like what I like about this is like this doesn't spoil. This Presto Griddle is 2 years old and it still looks like new, whereas pan gets spoiled sooner. That's why I moved on to Presto Griddle. I hope you will try dosas on your Presto Griddle and send me your feedback. Thank you so much for your time and for watching me. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video, guys.